Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 3 Rational Numbers Exercise 3A Question 7. This one is, which of the two rational numbers is smaller, right? So again, rational numbers are given, we have to basically compare them and tell which of them is the smaller one, right? First part is minus 9 upon 20 or 7 upon minus 20, right? So you can see our denominator is negative, right? So what we will do is convert this fraction is okay, but this one, right? Or minus 7 upon 20, right? This minus sign will be taken to the numerator, so this will get, and out of which one is smaller? Smaller means in the negative integers the number which is greater is the smaller one, right? So here minus 9 is greater, so this means it is smaller, right? So you will write your answer as minus 9 upon 20, right? This is the answer. Next one is the second part, right? So this one says 2 upon 7, right? Or minus 5 upon minus 7, right? So cut this minus, so we will have 2 upon 7 or 5 upon 7. So again same denominator, so compare the numerators, right? So this is smaller, so 2 is smaller than 5, so 2 upon 7, right? Let's move on to the next part. Now let's move on to the next part, right? So we have here 17 upon minus 4 or minus 1, right? So there are two things we will do here is, first of all, this minus 4 will turn to plus 4, this 17 becomes minus 17 because we need the denominator to be positive. Second, we can write this as a what? As a fraction, right? Like a upon b form of a rational number as we write. So you can write this as minus 17 upon 4, or we can have minus 1 upon 1, right? This also we can say. Now it is a bit easy for us to compare this, right? So 4 and 1, first we find the LCM, that is 4, right? So this will be as it is, minus 17 upon 4, or this becomes minus 4 upon 4. You can check it. So 1 into 4 is 4, so minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, simple. And now we can compare them. So which one is smaller here? Again negative integer, so the number which is greater is the smaller number, right? 17 is greater and it has minus sign, right? So 17 will be smaller here, so we get our answer as minus 17 upon 4, right? Let's move on to the fourth part. Let's move on to the next part. We have minus 15 upon 706 or 1 upon minus 26, right? This is the fourth part. So minus 15 upon 706 or 1 upon minus 26. So this we can write as minus 15 upon 706, or this minus sign will be taken to the numerator, so minus 1 upon 26. Now you can see that 706 and 26 are big numbers, their LCM will also be very big, right? So it will be very hectic process to find the LCM. Instead we can make the denominator same by one method, that is this fraction we can multiply with this denominator and this fraction can be multiplied with this denominator to equalize the denominators. I will show you how, right? So let's see. Here we'll have minus 15 into 26 upon 706 into 26, right? Or what do we have? We have minus 1 upon 26, and this 1 upon 26, this minus 1 upon 26 will be multiplied with 706, right? So into 706 into 706. So we will not solve this one with the denominators, we will not solve the lower part. Why? Because it is same both the places. You can see 706 into 26 will be the same as 26 into 706, just the order is changed, so nothing will change with our product. What we will solve is our numerator part, right? So what do we have? We have minus 15 into 26. Let's do it here. Okay, 15 minus sign you can put here as well, right? So we will have 15 6 is 90 and 9 carried over, 15 to the 30 and 9 is 390, right? Minus 390. So minus 390 upon 706 into 26, or here we have minus 1 into 706, that will be minus 706 upon how much, this 26 into 706, right? Now it is easy because the denominator is the same, and now we just have to compare the numerators, right? Here you can see it is asking us which is smaller. So smaller one, you can see both of them are negative integers. So when both of them are negative integers, the number which is greater, that is the smaller number basically, right? In this you can see minus 706 is smaller. And from what fraction are we getting this minus 706 upon 26 into 706? From this one, minus 1 upon 26, right? So our answer becomes minus 1 upon 26. All right, now let us move on to the next method, right? So we have discussed one method because you can see that the numbers, the denominators, their LCM will be a greater number, right? So for that we use some other methods. We have already discussed one. We have a second method as well, which is the cross multiplication method. And what are we supposed to do in that? See, cross multiplication, you can write this as minus 15 upon 706 is equal to minus 1 upon 26. We put the equal sign while we are cross multiplying, right? And now we will do the cross multiplication. This means what? That you can see this numerator will be multiplied with this denominator. Basically, the numerator of one fraction will be multiplied with the denominator of the other fraction. So like this, it is going cross, right? Like this. That is why we call it cross multiplication. And here also 706 will be multiplied with minus 1, right? So first we will do the multiplication, then I will tell you how we find the answer, right? So we have minus 15 into 26, right? And what else do we have? We have 706 into minus 1. So what are we going to get here? We already did in the previous one, minus 390, and here minus 706, right? Now you can see that we have got two numbers here. Forget about any numerator or denominator, right? Now compare them and tell which is smaller, right? So you can see minus 706 is smaller, obviously, and you can see that we have got minus 706 by multiplying 706 and minus 1, right? If we multiply in the numerator, if we get this minus 15 to 26 as the smaller one, right, then this entire fraction would have been the smaller one. But since this 706 minus 706 is smaller, so this entire fraction will be smaller because we have multiplied it with this. When we multiply it this way, right, so this one is smaller. If it was this way, so this one will be smaller. All right, so you can write your answer here as well, that the smaller fraction is what? Minus 1 upon 26, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.